Okay, I told you guys I would film another video. Sorry for the messy car. Okay, so here's this. You see the back is open. I'll click this in here. So now it forms a seatbelt. You can click up there. Now what you guys were saying was if the seatbelt would twist around here or somehow to the back. Sorry, one-handed. And you guys wanted to know if this would shut. So, seatbelt twist behind there. It's pulled all the way down. Layla, can you hold that? Yeah. So, now watch as I close this trunk. Stand back. You can still see the seatbelt sticking out. And it is still trapped and locked. And it would be holding somebody down.